Welcome back guys to another episode of T260 Trader. As you guys are a long time with me, so in this video I would love to go a little deeper price action so that you can understand that sometimes you can force the market for your setup. So let's start from the beginning. Before going further to this video, make sure that you have given me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. This is 15-minute chart from Nasdaq. Today is Wednesday and we know Wednesday is the expansion day. So trend is your friend. So far you can see this is the downtrend. So market was actually falling. I will only look for the sell setup. The buy setup is gonna be valid if and only if there is a bullish fair value gap or market has taken some obvious liquidity. Then you can look for the buy. So from 15-minute chart you can see this is the relatively equal loss. That was my liquidity actually. So I was thinking that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. So that was my bias. Now I don't need that. How many handle is over there? That 274 handle for being profitable. If I can get 40 handles, 30 handles, I believe that it's more than enough for being profitable. So let's talk about this price action. In a hindsight, you can see this is a pure consolidation, but still it is very easy to trade, to be honest. Okay, I would really love to explain this price action. I was watching someone else live. I mean, famous. She's obviously famous. So over there, I outlined a trade. I will just explain the whole price action. At the same time, I will explain that entry as well, which I have outlined in her life. So this is the daily fair value gap, which has been broken over here by 15-minute chart. It was broken, this daily fair value gap. So as my trend is bearish and also this daily fair value gap is broken, so it is the best opportunity to take sell instead of looking for buy. Now I would love to go to 1-minute chart. Now from 1-minute chart, all you can see, let me actually make it bigger. So over here, how should you trade the Wednesday price action? So market will take some kind of buy side liquidity. If you are looking for bearish move, the market structure shape, fair value gap, boom. Again, it will keep doing this thing. Okay, in expansion day, that means Wednesday and Thursday. All I would love to wait for to see that market has taken some buy side liquidity, lower market structure shape, fair value gap, boom. Now over here you can see this is the PM session has started around that area. Market was going higher. When market was going higher, are you going to take that buy? Absolutely not. Instead of that, you will start to look for to see that if market can take some buy side liquidity. If you see over here, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs, which has taken over there. So market has taken that buy side liquidity inside the PM session. This is the lunch hour. You are not gonna trade in this lunch hour, as though I told that this lunch hour is gonna be very beautiful. You will be able to frame some beautiful setup around the lunch hour. Before starting this today's live, I explained that. So if you look over here, that was your perfect setup around that area inside the lunch hour. Very nice market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction, market fall. But I am not interested to explain the lunch hour. Instead of that, the PM session only. Okay? So when market has taken that buy side liquidity, I was looking for a lower market structure shift. Now, do you get any market structure shift or fair value gap, anything over there? Just look at this price action over there. Was there anything? I don't see anything over there. So I just missed that move. I didn't trade to that specific move. When market came here, what it has done? It has made this low and that low. They are now relatively equal lows. You are bearish. You fail to take edge around that area. So in the same time, it has made the sell side liquid. Then market started to go higher again. Are you going to frame that buy setup? After taking this liquidity, maybe this is your market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. No, you are not gonna take that buy. What are you talking about, brother? Yeah, this is called trading. You are not going to take that buy. Instead of that, you will start to look for sell again. Okay. Now you can see that market went higher again one more time, and it has taken a lot of buy side liquidity. So every kind of swing high has taken over there. Every single buy side liquidity has taken by that specific run. After taking this all the buy side liquidity, I was here as well, and I was looking for a lower market structure shift over there as well. Now you can see this is a lower market structure shift over there. That was a market structure shift. In my opinion, this is not a valid market structure shift because this swing low is not valid. First of all, this is not even a swing low and it didn't trade in fair value gap. Either way, it's not a market structure shift. If you would love to force the market, this is the fair value gap. You can force the market. You could take your entry over there. Maybe your stop loss is going to be just above this candle which has made this fair value gap, and you should target this low. So over here until that low, you could target, and finally maybe below here somewhere you will take some partial, and you can see that market didn't take that low. Instead of that, it came here, made another relatively equal lows with this low around that area. Perfect sell side liquidity it has made over there. If you would love to take that entry, I have really nothing to say because here this is forcing market to give you the setup. Either way, it has given you near about 43 handle. If you can take a partial below that low, see below that low, you'll be able to get for 28 handle. Still, it's not bad. If you put a stop loss over there, 1:2 risk to reward ratio. As this lower market structure shift was not valid to me, I didn't take that entry as well. Now, at the beginning of today's stream, I told that here I'm going to go little deeper price action. Okay, so I'm going to go to 15-minute chart one more time. In my 15-minute chart, all you can see that this week, okay, I'm going to remove this one, that one. When market fall two time, okay, two time, perfectly it fall but didn't expand lower. Instead of that, it left that liquidity around that area. So let me actually mark that liquidity here and here. So both of them were liquidity, but market didn't fall. Instead of that, it keep going higher. When it was going higher, I was actually in her stream. I told that to wait until market reach to this week 50%. If market can go until the week 50%, start to look for sell from there. So I would love to mark that 50% from that specific week from 15-minute chart. Okay, so you can see this is the CE of that 50%. At the same time, it can reach until the low. There is nothing wrong. All I would love to see that body didn't close above that constant crossment of that specific week. Okay, why this week is important? Because this week has taken all of this bicyclic trade that fair value gap from your daily fair value gap. It has traded that fair value gap. So it was perfect to me to mark the CE around that area. Now I am coming back again to 1-minute chart. Just keep that in your mind. This is your 15-minute week 50%. Okay. So when market reached to that specific area, to that week, body didn't close. That was my order block over there. That was my perfect order block around that area. So I would love to mark that order block here. I framed this setup to her life and I told that to mark the 50% of that order block. It can reach until this 50% of that order block, which is actually your mean threshold to that specific order block. So I'm gonna mark it as my mean threshold. After marking that, I told that take the entry over there here. Okay, when it tapped this order block, take the entry. Now where you are going to put your stop loss, just above that order block. Now look over here where you are going to put your stop loss, just below the low of that daily fair value gap. As you know, this daily fair value gap is extremely important. Why you are not going to just cover the low of that daily fair value gap? Is there anything wrong if you just cover the daily fair value gap low? Because market can easily tap to this daily fair value gap low one more time. It can do that. Just cover it. And where should be your target? Below this low. This extreme low from 1-minute chart, not from 15-minute chart. Where should be your partial? When market will go below that low, take your partial. That should be your partial area. Don't worry, I'm not telling hindsight. I outlined that in live, not my live. And also I took the screenshot by taking the entry and post it to my Twitter as well. Okay. You can see market tapped to this order block. Lot of time market worked over there, then reached until the mean threshold. This is the fake breakout. Tap to the low of this daily fair value gap, fall again. I was in live, that's why I didn't push my button over there. But when she closed her stream and I saw that market come back again to this order block, to that specific order block, it come back again over there. I took my entry to that order block, retest, and took the partial over there, closed my trade around that area. Okay. So if you take a closer look over there, It was near about 1:3 risk to reward ratio. The handle was near about 53 handle. The stop loss is 16 handle. Was it a bad trade? I don't think so. What else do you see? Here, when market has taken this buy side liquidity over there, after taking that buy side liquidity, I was looking for a market structure shift. So when this low, if it could shifted over there, now you can see that no, market didn't give me, it just didn't give me the market structure shift. Okay, it didn't just go little below of that low. It didn't go that. If it could go one tick below that low, this would be my fair value gap. There I could take my entry. I didn't get the opportunity over here to take the entry from this fair value gap. That means if you don't want to use that order block, you should wait for this thing. Market went higher. Finally, it has taken that buy side liquidity, and then you will start to look for your market structure shift. As you know, this is the trending day. After taking this buy side liquidity, you will wait for the market structure shift around that area. If you get a market structure shift and the fair value gap around that area, then go for that trade. Now, today price didn't give me the opportunity. I don't care. I know that tomorrow it is going to give me the same setup, and over there I will get the market structure shift. So here I outlined that order block entry. At the same time, if it could go just one tick below that low, I could have that beautiful setup from 22 YT model, what I have taught you in my life lot of time. Your stop loss should cover the fair value gap, the candle which has made the fair value gap, same target over there, and you should take the partial around that area, or maybe to this last fair value gap from 1 minute set. It's up to you, wherever you want to take your partial. Okay, so that could be your perfect setup. And 47 handle, not bad. To be honest, it's not bad. What else do you see? If you would love to see why market didn't do that, then I would love to uh, draw your attention to something special over there. So here, that was the real setup. After taking the buy side liquidity, market structure shift, not a perfect market structure shift, but you have to understand that the perfect market structure shift is for us, the traders. Okay, market doesn't need the perfect market structure shift, but we are going to filter the trade because by the perfect market structure shift, so that we can avoid the losing trade. Okay, but here this was the real setup. Then market went lower. There are some order block. Market went lower. This is the unfilled area. When this unfilled area has been filled, I will start to look for high, low, higher, high, lowest down close, body close candle. You can see finally market went higher, low, higher, high, right? High, low, higher, high. This is your breaker block. Mark that breaker block. So from there, this was your breaker block. When the breaker block got validated, when this candle has closed below this low, this breaker block got validated. After that, you should take your entry to that breaker block over there. Around that area, you should take your entry to that specific bull candle. Now, where should you put your stop loss? Above this breaker block, I really don't have anything, no fair value gap, so no order block, nothing. I really don't know how far the mohawk will go. I'll simply just cover that high, this candle high. I'll just simply cover that high. My target is going to be the same over there. Around that area, that is going to be my same target. Still, it's 36 handle, not bad. So some of you are thinking this is a bullshit price action, but if you know how to trade this day, it's not actually a bullshit price action. Trust me, brother. It was a very nice price action. It is possible to trade and get benefit from this consolidation price action as well. As you can see, 36 handle, 40 handle, they're not bad. Okay. Then finally, market reached into the last hour. I was expecting the fall, but at the same time, you have to understand the fact. What is the fact? The whole day. Let me show you. This is the 15-minute chart. So from the 15-minute chart, the whole day market was bearish. Now the last hour can be simply the reversal. It can simply the reversal. Though I don't want to take the buy, so I am not gonna frame any kind of buy setup. Yeah, I would love to see that market keep falling, but here there was no setup from 1 minute chart. As you can see, after around the last hour, there was no setup. Now some of you can see that market has taken the liquidity. This is the market structure sheet. Maybe this is the fair value gap. Yeah, it didn't go below that low, but it's not a good idea to take the buy. Though I know that this is the last hour, market can reverse, but still I am not supporting to that buy. Instead of that, I would love to say, if you see the market is going higher, then just skip trading the last hour. Okay, just skip trading the last hour, because if really market wanted to go higher, it could make a bullish fair value from 15 minutes. As it didn't do that, you should not believe that reversal. Instead of that, you just keep waiting. And also market has no buy side liquidity, it has only the sell side liquidity. Okay, so depending on those, the last hour wasn't good for me to trade. I didn't get any perfection around that area. If you would love to force the market, maybe you will be able to catch some move, but I am not interested to catch any kind of move around the last hour. So far I don't see anything. Okay, you are seeing this fall is a great fall. I'm seeing this is just, I mean, it's not good. Okay, if this fall, I'm unable to catch that fall. So in my opinion, there was some entry setup around that area. The first entry is over here. If you would love to force the market, you can force the market, as you know how the narrative is going to work. So you could force the market around that area. I didn't do it. I was waiting for the perfection. Then here, the order block entry was cool. I mean, that order block entry was cool. Then if you feel not feeling so good of that order block, no worries. You have this breaker block entry. Just for one tick, you didn't get the perfect setup to this PM session just for one tick. I just didn't get the market structure sheet. If I would get that on, I could take my entry over there depending on that 22 YT model. Okay. So guys, I believe that it's gonna be little insightful. I saw some of you has framed the buy setup. Please don't do that. If you don't follow the rules I'm telling you, you are not gonna be profitable, at least not by me. Okay? But if you would love to follow everything I'm telling, and you can let all the buy run go, trust me, this trading is gonna be very much easier for you, and you are going to be a profitable trader. I will make you the profitable trader. That's my promise, inshallah. So guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure that you have write down boom if you watch until this time. Okay, until here, if you watch it, don't forget to write down boom to the comment box. And if you have any doubts, let me know that as well. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. So the whole new trading area is gonna open for you. So until the next video, cheers.